You guys gotta check this out. New York City is under a blizzard storm right now. And I'm gonna show you. Check it out outside. People are walking the streets instead of the sidewalks. Like it's snowing, it's windy. This is a pile of snow right in my fire escape. Look how high it is. Look at that. I'm pretty sure there's no mail today on Saturday night. Like this. Hopefully my camera doesn't get fucked up from all this. Welcome to New York City. Blizzard 2016. In New York City, calling everybody that I'm picking up. So I'm going to prep for this. Just meet up with Steven and Priscilla and some other people. Do some shooting around Chinatown. I'm like an hour and a half late. To be honest, like I'm always late. So it's my fault. So right now it's 3 o'clock. I'm about 2.5 hours late now.
It's crazy. Oh, you're right, by the way, about the trains. So we're gonna go to Central Park now.
You going where?
Central Park.
Central Park?
Yeah.
Oh,
you have your ski mask?
yeah, I got everything. I'm so ready.
On Jeff.
Jeff?
Jeff.
Jeff?
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 Jeff.
Jeff? Jeff?
Hey. Not
Jeff?
Jeff. I'm not Jeff.
Jeff, and Jeff.
Yo, what are you?
Alright, so what's the plan for today? I mean, you guys already did stuff, but
we're heading to Central Park. Go under the infamous tunnel slash whatever the pathway is.
Jesus. What's up, bro? What, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Bro. Bro. Oh, train.
I'm tired, man. I'm fucking tired.
Live from New York City. Today is a snow day and the streets are closed. MTA is no longer running above ground after 4.
Oh my God. What the fuck?
And we're here.
I came to visit, but it's so cold today.
Yeah.
Very cold.
How do you feel?
Me as a tourist came here 2 days ago, and they said I can fly back to my home country.
Back to you, Tom. Maybe this was a bad idea. The snow feels like rocks when the wind goes at like 40 miles an hour. But we're here, we're toughening it out. We're gonna look for some stuff to do. Take pictures of.
Hey, can I be in your picture?
I'm Rocky. So we're in Central Park right now. And oh, it feels like ice hitting your face.
I feel like we're in Antarctica.
Seriously. Just go jump for me, bro. You ready? Oh, jeez, it's dangerous. I completely do not have the right footwear. Give me your hand! Your hand! Quickly!
Stop, seriously.
The avalanche is here! Come on! We did it.
It's faster through here. So sliding.
Alright, let's do this. Let's get out of here. Let's get out. Alright, bro.
Later, bro.
See you, man.
Stay warm.
Stay warm.
Yeah, for real. Be safe, alright?
Alright, bro.
Later.
Peace.
Oh, safe. Don't die. Alright, let's just fuck. We're going the wrong direction.
Yeah, hold on.
Jeff.
Alright,
I'll see you if I go tomorrow.
go where?
Coney Island.
Alright, see you.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, this is not cool.
Good luck.
Thanks. Oh, if I fall with this camera right now, I'm gonna fucking cry. Whoa. 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 Yes. By the way, my feet are like hella soaked right now. Damn it. Okay, it's time to clean this camera up and see what kind of damages I got. Hopefully I don't have any. Which way? It was a good day today, not too bad. Going home, do some editing and warming up. I'm about to sign out because it's cold, my feet are cold. Can't wait to warm up, but I'm like about a block away from my place, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's nice out here actually in New York. I love the snow. So this is Jeffrey from Brooklyn. Peace. I wonder if we have food at home. I'm so hungry.